That's my destination right there. What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to two-step up and down the stairs here at the This is the best stairs that I could think of to do it on. So I'm going to show you step by step. Here we go. You're going to start like this, one foot in front of the other. It really doesn't matter at this point. Okay, so you're going to bring your left foot halfway back and your right foot up at the same time. So it looks like this. Okay. One more time. Okay, once you do that, you're going to put this foot down and this foot back at the same time. So it looks like this. Again. Right here, one more time. Okay, so we're going to put it together. 1, 2. Okay, again. 1, 2. Last time. 1, 2. Okay, now that we got that down, you're going to bring this foot halfway back and this foot up at the same time. So it looks like this. Okay, again. One more time. Okay. Now that we got this, we're going to bring this foot down and this foot back at the same time. So it looks like this. Again. Last time. Alright, let's put it all together. We're right here. Alright, we're almost there. Now we're going to put it all together. So we're right here, down. Halfway, down. Halfway, down. So you're going to count it into 2 steps basically. Right here, this is 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. You're going to get better and better the more you do it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Find a steady pace that you like and stick with it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Not bad, right? As you can hear, it's a little windy out here, so bear with me. Okay, now that we got the 2-step down, we're going to try to go up the stairs. So you're going to put your dominant foot in the back, so that way when you come halfway, you can step up. Slow down. Okay, so we come halfway. We're going to step up with our right foot, come back with our left foot. So it looks like this. Okay, we're right here, halfway, stepping up, stepping back with my left foot. Okay, now we're going to come up a step. So once you come up halfway with this foot comes up. See how that happens? Okay, we're right here, step up. One more time. Okay. Now that we got that, we're going to go up the step. Halfway, we're going to step over with this foot, now this one comes back. Looks a little weird at first, but when you put it all together, I guarantee it's going to be awesome. Okay, so right here. Up a step. See how that happened? Halfway, you're coming up a step. One more time. Okay. So we're right here. We're going to start with our dominant foot in the back so we can step up. 1, 2, 1, 2. On the back, so forgive me. Okay, dominant foot in the back. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So, we're on our way, people. Let's do it again. Dominant foot in the back. My dominant foot is my right foot, so that's what I'm going to do. 1, 2, 1, 2. See how that works? Now I'm going to go up and even one more step. So right here. Okay, dominant foot in the back. Up, 2, 2. Same thing. Halfway, you're going to bring your right foot up. When you step back with that one, your right foot comes up a step. Okay, you're going to do that all the way. Do it slow at first, okay? So we're starting with our dominant foot in the back. We're going 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, I think you guys are almost ready to go downstairs. I'm gonna go 3 for now, so you can still hear me. Now we want to make our way down. So we're gonna step halfway with this foot and step back down with it, because we don't want to step up anymore. We're trying to make our way down. Alright, did you see what happened there? Okay, so we're up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. You're going to try to come back down the stairs with the foot that you started with in front. Alright, I'm out of breath. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're gonna do this in a stairway like this, I recommend Vans, Converse, or Pumas, something like that. You don't want to try these in Nikes or Jordans. If you got a carpet stairs at home, just do it in your socks or barefoot. Get jiggy with it. Thanks for watching again, and have a great rest of your day. I almost forgot, big shout out to the homegirl Kirsha, my co-worker. If it wasn't for her, I wouldn't have made this video. She recommended that I make it last night. Much love to her and her boyfriend Ty. See you guys later. Should probably put this back.